Travel kay number 2. Setting the play. Naghahanap na papasahan. Pinasa kay number 5. Kumuha na 3 points para kay jersey number 5. 14 seconds to shoot. Umatake, pinasa kay number 4. Time to shoot. Binalik ko kay number 7. Kumuha ng 2. 1-5 pero wala. Nakuha nino. Number 4. Finish niya na agawan. Number 31. Nagmamadali. Pinasa doon kay number 2 at 6. Pinasa sa loob at nakuha ni number 4. Number 4 kumuha ng 2 at nakakuha. Personal foul. At 13 foul ball. Number 2 setting the play. Umatake na. Pinasa din sa air kay number 21. Kumuha ng 2 pero 2 short na riba naman ni number 2. 2 out seconds to shoot. Number 29 wala pa rin. Nakuha nino. 7 yan. To number 0 grade for 2. All 7 ang ating score. 12 to shoot. Naghaharap na papasahan. Nabitawan. Pinasa rin kay number 2. 8 seconds to shoot. Pinasa sa ilalim na pasa sa kalaban kay number 14. Number 14 nagmamadali. Pass to number 6. Number 6 nabitawan pero kanya pa rin. Number 6 sumugod. Pinasa din kay number 5. Kumuha uli ng press. 30 points by number 5. Tumira din ang press si number 0. Too strong na kanina na bola. Number 6 pass ulit kay number 0. Kumuha na ng 2. Good for 2. Isa wala ang kalamangan. Number 9. Pass to number 5. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 5 yan. Pass to number 29. 5 seconds to shoot. Pinasa na sa lalim. Good for 2 points. 12-9 ang ating 6. Pinasa sa lalim kay number 14. Foul yan. Sa tako. 10 to shoot. Kumuha ng 2. No good. Tawa naman ni number 14. Good for 2 points. Balik sa...
Nice one.
12 seconds to shoot. Pinasa doon kay number 4. Kumuha ng 2. Too strong. Nakuha ng kahapiyan number 14. Wala pa rin. First through. Pasok. All 12. Pinasa doon kay number 11. Nagmamadali. Number 11 for 2. Black fire pa rin number 8. No good. Nakuha ni number 7.
Hop.
Number 7 to number 4.
1 minute and 15.
Pinasa doon kay number 14. No good. Too short. Nakuha naman ni number 16. To number 5. Setting the 3.
Last 1 minute.
14 to shoot. Kumuha ng 3 ang layo nun pero too strong. Nakuha ni number 7. Pass to number 0. Number 0.
46.
14 to shoot. Number 5 good for 2 points. Lamang na uli ang white.
35 seconds. Remaining time.
14 to shoot. 25 seconds and no good. 6 seconds.
15 seconds.
Number 5 nag-uubos ng oras.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Sabi nun, no good. Nilibat doon.
4,
Save na lang.
3, 2, 1.
18 for 2. Good for 2 by number 10. 10 yung hindi 18. Nakakalimutan. Set in the play. 14 seconds to shoot. Back to number 2. 10 seconds to shoot. Tumatake, kumuha ng toss pero no good. Nakikuha ni number 7 to number 6. Nabitawan niya pa. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 11. Back to number 5 for 2. One hand. Good for 2 points. 20-16 ang ating score. Number 10, set kay number 6, naghahanap na papasahan, pinasa kay number 0, kumuha ng 2 points, pa number 29. Number 29 for 2, no good, pero kanya uli yan, number 29, no good, nakuha ni number, nakagaw ni number 11. Number 11 to number 2, pinasa to, 0, kumuha ng 3, too strong, naripa ni number 11. Tayo ng dalawa. 14 to shoot. Pinasa dun. Number 2, hindi pasa pa rin kay number 0 pero no good na. Rebound ni number 29 to number 5. Number 5 to number 11. Number 11 shoot kaya? No good. Wala pa rin na. Rebound ni number 7. Ayan, number 31. Number 31, pass to number 11 to shoot.
Matuloy lang eh. Ginusto niya.
10 seconds to shoot. Number 6 to number 7, 1 had 2 points by number 7. Kumuha ng 3. Too short. Na kanino na yung bola na yan, number 14. Pinush kaya pinasa kay number 6. Number 6 for 2. No good na rebound ni number 14 pero wala pa rin. Nakuha ni number 2 to number 11. Number 11 ang mamadali. Number 11 to number 29. Good for pass to number 6. Naghahanap na papasahan. 14 to shoot. To number. Dalawa nagbabantay. 10 to shoot. Pinili niya kay number 0. 5 seconds to shoot. Traveling. Kumuha ng 3 si number 5. Too short. Nariba naman nakakampihan. Number 11. Nagagawa ng buko. Kanino na yan? Number 11 pa rin. Lumabas. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 5 ulit. Pinasa ulit kay number 11 for 2. Good for 2 by number 11. Setting the play. Humatake na 14 to shoot. Kumuha ng 2. No good na rebound ni number 5. Number 5 yan. Pinantayan na ng dalawa. Number 5 pa rin. Napitawan pero kanya pa rin pinasa doon kay number 7. Number 7 for 2. Good for 2 by number 7. 14 seconds to shoot. Pinasa doon kay number 5. 5 seconds to mira ng toss. Good for 2 na may kasama. Foul yan. To number 2. Number 2 to number 11 for 2 points. No good to stroke. Naka-rebound ni number 14. Number 14 to number 7 na bitawa. Number 4 for 2. Good for 2 by number 4. 6 na lang kalamangan ng white.
Last 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Number 2 to number 5. Number 5 again for 3. Too short. Na-rebound ni number 10. Naghahanap na papasahan. Pinasa kay number 7 yan. Umatake. Kumuha ng plus. Good for 2. Number 2 na. May dala. Number 2 setting the play.
4 minutes and
30 to
30.
shoot. Pinasa ko ulit kay number 5 to number 11. 10 to shoot. Number 11 for 2. Good for 2 by number 11.
Sabrep.
Dead ball. For 2, good. No good. Pero na rin ba nakakampi niya? Hindi na. Number 0 for 2. Nakatawag ng foul. Pinasa ulit kay number 5. 14 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Too short na iba ni number 4. Naaga ni number 2. Number 2 to number 29. Ayun, napitawan na aga ni number 10.
3 minutes and 20.
Gusto na aga ni number 16. To number 8 na bitaw. To number 7, 14 to shoot.
Narinig ka sa video ko.
Ay, sorry.
10 to shoot. No good on this. Pero nakuha nino. Number 2. No offensive pa. Pinasa doon kay number 2. Number 2 matake na. Nahagawan ni number 14. Number 14. Ipasa na pala kay number 6 for 2. Good for 2 by number 6.
Time out, ref.
Tayo. 14 to shoot.
1 minute and 30.
Number 4 for 2. No good na rin ba naman ni number 29? Wala pa rin number 29 ulit. Wala pa rin na rin ba ni number 7? Bigay number 5, 6, number 6. Hilawa na rin ba ni number 5?
1 minute and 10.
Number 5 yan umatake na. Binigay ito on. Pinasa doon kay number 7. seconds to shoot. 10 seconds, number 29, good for 2 points.
25 seconds.
Wala na kayong shot clock.
20. 15 seconds. 10. 5.
Seconds.
1.
Doon kay number 0. Number 0 yan, back to number 6. 14 to shoot, back to number 0. Tumira na 3. 10 points by number 0. Doon kay number 5, tumira din na 3. 10 points then by number 0. Number 0, 14 to shoot. Naghahanap ng papasahan, pinasa ulit kay number 6. Umatake. 10 to shoot to number 14. At Penarag.
Oh, pinasa ay 23 sila. Ang ganda naman noon. By number 29. Sir Fermin. Wala.
14 to
Rebound
shoot.
number 14. 42 points. 50 lang. 50 lang yan. 50. King the ball. Oh,
14 to shoot.
malakas. Rebound number 2. Sige. 5. Number 5, tumira ng 3. Yes! Number 5, 3. Foul! Wait, ulit. Ayan na. Oh! Violate na ito. Loreto. Oh, pasundot. Ang kanila pala. Nasa 29. Hoy! Galito. Person number 3.
To shoot.
Oh! Nakuha ni number 10. Ginano. Nagawin ni number 5. Oh! Foul! Foul, Lucido, malakas! Kanya ulit? Yes, 2 points by Lucido.
Time out, time out.
3 minutes and 10 seconds. 3 minutes and 10. Wait time.
14 to shoot, last 3 minutes.
Wait time. Pinilip. Oh! Ay! Time. Number 10.
14 to shoot.
Number 10 pinasa sa kalaban ni number 5. Number 5. Pinasa kay 29. Yes, sir. 2 points. Siya pala ang kalaban. Juarez. Juarez supply. Naribo number 14. Pinasa kay number 7. Number 7. Oy!
13 to shoot. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. 10 to shoot. Fourth and final quarter. 10 seconds to shoot.
Number 5. Number 5.
5 seconds to shoot.
Number 5. Dinerecho. Ayos.
40 seconds.
1 minute and 40 seconds.
Number 7. 2 points na yan. Number 7. Vision score. 53-61. Kakauti na.
1 minute and 30 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Number 2 na sa number 11.
10 seconds to shoot.
Foul! Wala may for penalty. Both team.
10 seconds to shoot.
Number 5.
1 minute and 15.
Ang ganda ulit ang pasa kay Floredo. Number 5. Number 7.
Last 1 minute. 15 to shoot.
Number 5. Dinerecho. Wala! Pinasway. Number 7.